So in my last video, I talked about decluttering your mind, or basically what a cluttered mind looks like. Yeah, I didn't really talk about decluttering your mind, and that's what I want to talk about in today's video, right? So we talked about how a cluttered mind is, having this scattered thoughts and ideas, all over the place, like having a messed up room. So just like how your room is messed up, your mind could also be messed up with all of these thoughts and ideas and choking themselves, right? So you're not going to be able to think positive thoughts. You're not going to be able to, streamline your thoughts and, channel your thoughts into those positive things that you want to experience in your life. That's what a cluttered mind looks like. And I talked about some of the things that cluttered mind looks like. So in today's video, I want to talk about how to declutter your mind. Yes, how to declutter your mind of all of this. Get rid of all of those scattered thoughts, scattered ideas, scattered house, right? And arrange your mind, bring back so that you can have some decency and some form of beauty, right, in your mind. Alright, so that's what I'm going to be talking about in today's video. Hi, my name is 𝐓𝐡𝐞 𝐌𝐚𝐠𝐧𝐞. I'm a mindset coach. I share content on all things related to mindset, mental health, emotional well-being, and wellness to help you upgrade your mind, your life, your finances, and business. So if you love content on anything that I just mentioned, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified of my video the next time that I drop one. Yeah, on today's video, I'm talking about decluttering your mind. How do you declutter your mind, right? We've already mentioned what decluttering is to, tidy up. So how do you tidy up? Number one, get some rest. So sometimes when it feels like your mind, your thoughts are scattered and all over the place, sometimes what you just need to do is to just relax your mind. Get some rest. Sleep if you have to. Just basically get some rest. It doesn't actually necessarily mean sleeping. Some people rest by watching a movie. I know a friend who says, oh, I want to rest, and then the next thing they're doing is watching a movie, and I'm like, you said you want to rest? It's like, oh, this is how I rest, right? So get some rest. Whatever rest means to you, get some rest and just rest, right? Number two is to meditate, right? Meditate. This actually helps you to put your thoughts together. This actually helps you to be aware and conscious of the thoughts that you're having, so that they're not just all over the place and scattered and blah, 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 blah. So yeah, you need to meditate and get your thoughts in order. Yeah. All right, number three is to pen down your thoughts. When your mind is cluttered, your thoughts are all over the place. Your to-do list are somewhere in your head, not even penned down. So you need to pen down your thoughts, your ideas as they come. You need to pen them down somewhere that you can actually see them, so that you take them from your mind and they're not just so much and cluttered all over the place in your mind, and then they're just somewhere that you can actually look and see them, right? So you need to pen down your thoughts. And then number four is much like it, which is to journal. Now, the difference between penning down your thoughts and journaling is that when you're journaling, you're like writing like a diary, a note to yourself that, oh, today I feel this certain way, today I did this and it made me feel this particular way. It's kind of like you're journaling, you're talking to yourself, you're writing a letter to yourself, right? So that's like the difference, or the major difference between penning down your thoughts and journaling. And then number five is to reduce multitasking. So the reason your mind is cluttered, your thoughts are all over the place, is because you're trying to do 10 things at the same time. So what you need to do is to reduce that workload, reduce multitasking. There's so many things that your mind can actually focus on per time. So just not so many things, right? So you need to, reduce that multitasking, reduce it. And then number six, should be six, yeah, six. Number six is to challenge negativity. So whatever negative thoughts that comes to your mind, challenge it. Why am I thinking that way? I'm not lovable. I'm not good enough. Why am I thinking I'm not good enough? Hey. Do that thought. Why are you there? You don't have a place in my mind. Alright, so basically challenge negativity. And then number seven, after challenging negativity, number seven is just to declutter your environment, right? So just like decluttering your mind, our environment plays an important role. It plays an important role in what goes on in our mind. So if our environment is scattered all over the place, the high chances or likely possibilities that your mind is also going to feel cluttered, right? So you need to declutter your environment as well. Tidy up your environment, tidy up your room, and basically the things that are around you, so that you don't feel, or your mind is not bogged down with so many things that are just so disturbing to the mind. So these are some of the tips that you could employ to declutter your mind. I hope you're going to employ some and let me know the result and effect after you do so. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you got value. I hope you learned something in this video. If you did, let me know, and let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section, and leave a thumbs up if you like this video. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, the loved ones, the people who need to declutter their mind. Yes, share this video with them. And very, 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 very importantly, subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you get notified of my video the next time that I drop one. Until next time that I come your way again, I remain Juliet Israel, and for now it's a bye bye.